Good morning, everyone. So I just put yesterday I put a row of gravel on the top. You can see the tree mountain bracket right there. Then Joe and I did install. Okay, they're on the previous video, and now I'm set up to install the my mountain bracket. Okay, so these are the ones, they're all painted and ready to get installed. So stay along, please. Hello everyone. The video stopped at after 1 hour, so I was about there using my impact wrench, electric impact wrench, for when I remove my when I did not have a compressor. I used to have that electrical impact wrench. Now I'm using it for that. So you can see I put the third one already, and I will put the fourth one. Right now it's about 12:20, so it's time to heat. But everything is straight, strong, and I'm gonna show you after on the other side of the wall. I put another 2x10 with the long bolt here. These bolts are end up taking the beam of that wall and that one too. But these main one, they go through the wall. They take the 2x4. So I put it another 2x. It's about the same length of that on the other side. So time for me to have lunch, drink water, and see you when I install the fourth one. All right. Cheers. All right. So the ground bracket is out there, mounted. The wall is also mounted. What's left to do here? I'm just gonna do a cleanup, and so I'm gonna clean up around here. I'm gonna make it fast, and then it's the afternoon, so I'm gonna start to take some measurement, because I'm gonna build that wall inside my garage, and everything is nice and flat. So and then I'm gonna carry it here with my tractor and start mounting that wall. So tomorrow morning I will probably build that wall there. This afternoon I have something with my daughter, so tomorrow morning I will build that wall there, and in the afternoon I will probably mount it here. Okay, so that's it is very strong. I mean, you saw me lifting myself. I'm 215 roughly, and it's probably good for 300 pounds each, one of them. So it goes from 1 ton, basically. No, not 1 ton. 600. Oh yeah, probably half a ton of support, if not greater. This is a conservative side, and but this is way more stronger than when my father and I used to build it. We used just to put a piece of log, we screw it through the wall directly to the main beam, and that's it. This one will have main support holding, and then it's going to be definitely. So start to clean up. The nice thing with the impact wrench, electric impact wrench, is when it start to get tough, it start to vibrate. It's like acting like a hammering drill, and I'm very surprised the strength, and I didn't break any screws. Especially the last one, I forgot to screw it to a pre-drill, but I'm very happy. A bit dirty, all right. If you guys are wondering, is I built myself my old extension. So what I do, I'm just gonna show that in video. So I cut it in angle, then I unweld it on each side, and that's why I connected on the steel rod. This one broke because the vibration was too great. You can see it's not from the welding, it's from the directly from the well. See, the welding is right there under here, but it broke furthermore. It was because of the vibration. I didn't weld it straight. Still, I done quite a job, and it was free. Just welding, that's it. well, that's it for that. So next video will be in my garage when I'm starting to build that wall. Alright folks, cheers!